Mathematically, I want to illustrate the concept of Ilouwa. It's a signal reincarnation. The science of reincarnation is actually a universal philosophy that could be found across cultures and tribes. But today, I want to come from the mathematical point of view. Life mirrors acts, or life reflects what? Acts. This testament can be found in this circle you see here in the board. In mathematics, there is a branch of mathematics called geometry. Geometry is actually the study of what? Shapes and plane. And in geometry, there is a branch called Euclidean geometry. This branch studies about what? Circle. Now, when you take a look at this circle, you will understand that the circle is the only shape without beginning or ending. Every point in the circle flows seamlessly to the next. It shows what? Transition. No beginning, no ending. Now, when you dissect the science of Ilouwa, you will understand that Ilouwa is a continuous cycle of what? Birth, death, and rebirth. No ending, only what? Transition. A Latin man will tell you that vita mutatum non calitur, that life is not taken away, but what? Changed. And when you study the first law of thermodynamics, that my energy can neither be created or destroyed, but it can be transmogrified from one source to the other. Now take a look at this circle now in the board. When you look at this circle in mathematics, we are told that the angle at a point is what? 360. I call it what? The destiny circle. The destiny what? Circle. Every movement in this circle will still bring you back to this point. When you travel across this circle, any movement across the circle will bring you back to this what? Point called what? 360. I call it the destiny circle. And what is this angle here? Your chi. Because your chi is at the nucleus. It is always what? The center of everything. Now, what does this cosmogram of Ilouwa, what does it share with that of the circle? It reflects completeness. It reflects return. And it reflects what? Transition. Now, when you look at this circle now, you will understand there are many angles in this circle. You can call it angle, you can call it arc. In this same circle, we can find angle 90 degree, angle 180 degree, and so on and so forth. These angles in this circle represent different stages of life. You face maturity stage. After maturity stage, eventually you will die, and after death, you go back and went after life. All this process is still one with chi. It is still your chi in the journey of becoming. So the cosmogram of this circle is trying to illustrate the journey of what? Becoming. We are living the same pattern of life. Circle. So Ilouwa is actually what? A universal what? Phenomenon that explains stages of life. Now, there is three things that I would like us to understand. There are three basic phenomena I would like us to understand from here. In the spirit realm, ebe a bụ ọnwụ, ebe a bụ ndụ, Eba be Ilouwa. And at the center of everything, I will be your chi. There are three things this thing is teaching us today. Number one, life is not linear. Life is cyclical. What the road to wanna go to. And that is why we have the rainy season. We have the dry season. We have the harmattan. Philosophically, it tells us that for there to be revolution or evolution, there must be reflection, and that reflection must follow what? Same pattern. The life we are living here today, 2,000 years ago, our ancestors lived that same life. We are still their DNA. We are still the same people living the same life today. The only difference is the work of our hearts. Ilouwa. Now, what is the second lesson? The second lesson, I want us to understand that every travel in this circle you see today, this circle in Africa, but Ilouwa, every travel in this circle will still bring you back to here, point 360, your destiny circle. And that is why in Igbo Geji we say Chigi or Deleginama, because Chi is that your eternal spark, that divine spark from Chiugu that will navigate you in this circle. Wanna go kilikili, life heroes art. Now, the third lesson. The third lesson we are going to understand from this concept is that every travel in this line, after you must have repeated this 360 travel, there will be a new revolution. Just like the sun rises every morning, just like the moon renews every month, human beings reincarnate through generation. Ilouwa. And the question becomes, have you understood the science of reincarnation? Have you been able to know that the life you are living today has been lived 2,000 years ago? What makes yours different from others? Let me not waste your time. Afambona mbizori Ilouwa manichebe. Ibi bechu ukulu anando. Dalun.